Vuitton store like a while ago, but I never reviewed these shoes, so I'm like, I should review them so you guys can know how they are. So I went to the Louis Vuitton store and I got these shoes. They came in this box, and the box opens up like a drawer. In the box were the sneakers, and the sneakers look like this. So that's how it looks on the side. That's how it looks on the back. It says Louis Vuitton right there, and under the shoe as well. On the inside it has like the number to show like the rear, I guess, and the shoelaces, which it comes with like an extra pair in the box, and they look like this. So for the most part they're super comfortable and they're super stylish. I like that this part is like hard, and for some reason when you're walking on it you feel like you're walking in wedges. Yeah, for some reason when you're walking in them you feel like you're walking in wedges, so you're not like so on the ground like some sneakers are, so you feel like you're a little bit higher up. But they look like this, and they're very true to size, because I'm an 8.5 and I got them in the 8.5, and they don't squeeze nothing. They're super comfortable, and it looks like this, and they match very good with my Neverfull. And yeah, I just love this shade of pink. I like that it has a Louis Vuitton symbol on the side. I like that the gold hardware, like I could put gold jewelry and it'll match perfectly, and wearing with my Neverfull is like really cute. So they look like this. Okay, they look like this. It comes with extra soles, and I just took them out because I felt like I was too high up, but the soles are wedged. And yeah, on the inside it looks like that. Trying to show you guys all around. So when you wear them, this is the way you will see them on, and on the side, and in the back. So I think these shoes retail for like $9 something. I'll link them down below if you're interested, but they retail for $9 something. So I went to the store personally to buy them because I want to try them on, because you never know with shoes. But they're very comfortable and they're very true to size. So yeah, they don't disappoint at all. And it's like a statement piece. So when you walk into a room, people are looking at your shoes. And they're very cute shoes. So the box opens up like a drawer. And it came with a little booklet. Each shoe came in its own dust bag, so you can take very good care of it. And you don't gotta worry about it. So I have 2 dust bags that it came with, and an extra pair of shoelaces, and that was pretty much it. So I'm gonna put them on real quick so you guys can see how they look. And yeah. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like these, don't forget to give me a like and a thumbs up, and leave me a comment if you have any requests. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, soar like a butterfly.